Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all today? Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also well. So my dear students, I warmly welcome you to my class. Let me introduce myself. I am Munmun Momtaz, Assistant Teacher English, Aropara Secondary Girls School, Kushtia. Today, I will take the first paper class of class 7. Learning outcomes. After completing the content, the students will be able to ask and answer questions, infer meaning from context from silent reading, participate in short discussion, write answer to questions. So students, look at the picture. Who can you see in that picture? What are they doing? It is a stage of prize giving. A student takes prizes from an eminent person. So, students, today's lesson is Unit 3, Lesson 3. And the topic is Prize Giving Day at School. So, students, let's learn some new words from the text which helps you to understand the text properly. At first, the word is eminent. It is adjective. Its meaning famous in a particular profession. The synonym of the word is important and famous. Antonym of the word is unimportant or insignificant. Student, now see a picture of a person. Do you know her? Yes, I know, you must know her. She is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa is an eminent person. She devoted her life helping people who no one would help. The second word is understanding. It is adjective. Its mean exceptionally good. Synonym of the word is great or unique. Antonym of the word is ordinary. Farabi got 2 prizes for his outstanding activities. The next word is performance. It is noun. Its mean the act of achieving something. The synonym of this word is achievement. So students, look at the picture. The overall performance of our school on Independence Day has been much appreciated. Dear students, open your book at page 17 and read the text. Farabi is Flora's best friend. They live in the same area. Also, they are both in class 7. But they go to different school. It is a school holiday. Flora has come to visit Farabi. They are talking. Flora wants to know about the prize giving ceremony of Farabi's school. Yesterday was our prize giving day. Farabi says, on this occasion our school auditorium and its days were brightly decorated. Prizes were also neatly displayed on a separate table on the days. All the students were present at the function. Among others, the guardians and some eminent persons of the locality attended the function. Farabi continues, the principal of PN College was the chief guest. When did the function start? Flora asked. Oh, it started on time just at 4 p.m. Flora says. Our head teacher first read out the annual report. Then the chief guest gave a short speech. He highly praised the overall performance of the school and its excellent JSC and SSC exam results. Then he gave away the prizes among the students for their outstanding activities. Did you get any prize, Farabi? Flora inquires. Yes, I did, Farabi replies. I have got 2 prizes, one for regular attendance and the other for good results in the last year ending exam. Okay students, read the text. I will let you answer some question. And the questions are: match words with their meaning. You have to match the words with meaning. One side there is words and the other side is its meaning. You just have to match the words with meaning. Visit, ceremony, eminent, praise, outstanding, display, and meaning speak highly of something or somebody. The next one is extremely good. Go to see a person or place. The fourth one is put something in a place where you can see it easily. Function, people having lots of power and influence. So students, I think you finished your writing, so I tell you the right answer. The meaning of visit is go to see a person or place. Ceremony means function. Eminent means people having lots of power and influence. Praise means speak highly of somebody or something. Outstanding means extremely good. Display means put something in a place where you can see it easily. So students, I think you answer it rightly. Okay students, now the second question is answer the following question. I gave you 4 questions and you must answer it correctly. First question is, where was the prize giving function held? The second question is, how was the function auditorium decorated? Third question is, who was the chief guest at the function? Fourth question is, what did the head teacher do at the beginning of the function? Students, the suggested answer of that question is number 1. The prize giving function held in the school auditorium. The second one is the auditorium decorated brightly. The answer of third question is the principal of PN College is the chief guest. Number 4. The head teacher read out the annual report at the beginning of the function. So students, now write your homework. Write a paragraph about a prize giving ceremony at a school. I know you all are write it properly. You can share your feelings, your presentation, and how many gifts you got from your school prize giving ceremony. That's all for student for today. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.